In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order on Shein. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a quick refresher, I'll guide you through each step so you can check out with confidence. Start by opening the Shein app or visiting the Shein website. If you already have an account, sign in. If not, create one. It's quick and it helps save your information for smoother checkouts later. Next, search for the item you want. You can type keywords into the search bar or browse categories. Use filters like size, color, and price to narrow things down. When you find something you like, open the product page and take a moment to review the photos, description, size guide, and customer reviews. This is the best way to confirm the fit and quality before you buy. Choose your size and color, then set the quantity you need. When you're happy with your selection, tap Add to Bag. When you're ready to review everything, open your shopping bag or cart. Here, double-check each item's size, color, and quantity. Make any edits if needed, and look over the subtotal so you're aware of costs before moving on. Tap Checkout to proceed. You'll now enter your shipping details, your name, your full address, and a contact phone number for delivery updates. Make sure apartment or unit numbers are included and that your postal code is correct to avoid delays. Choose your preferred shipping method. You'll typically see options like Standard or Express, each with an estimated delivery window and cost. Pick the one that fits your timeline and budget. Now select your payment method. Options commonly include Gcash, credit or debit card, PayPal, and cash on delivery if it's available in your area. Availability can vary by region, so choose what works best for you. If you have a coupon code or reward points, apply them here to reduce your total. You should see the discount reflected before you continue. When everything looks good, tap Place Order. If you selected an online payment method, complete the payment on the secure page that appears. For cash on delivery, you won't pay now. Just be prepared to pay the courier upon arrival according to the total shown. That's it. Once your order is placed, wait for the confirmation email. Keep an eye on your inbox and check your spam folder just in case. This email is your receipt and includes your order summary. You're all set to enjoy your Shein purchase.